iColombia beyideserve ukukora lela goal. Beyideserve kakhulu ukukora lela goal because Bafana se-amajita actually. Amajita were playing at the back. They were playing out the ball from the back. Kusho ukuthini lokho? We were inviting pressure. We were inviting them ukuthi bazoscore. We were inviting them ukuthi badlale kakhulu ehafini lethu, which is something we don't want. It is something we don't want. But amajita is like khona okuclickile ekhanda ukuthi man, actually we're playing in last 16. And as we're playing in last 16, the last time we qualified, we were actually playing with last 16 country to was probably in 2009, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, it was 2009 during Nkatabo Serero. It was during that time. And now you understand, manje ukuthi amajita ayabona ukuthi man, actually we can play labantu laba. As much as we're strong in Colombia, singayidlala. And bayadlala. And towards the half of first half, during that half of them, around 30 minutes, you can see the difference. What they were pressing, they wanted the goal. We have a chance to score. We have a chance to actually win the game. Unfortunately, ama chances wathathanga amanye, and amanye futhi abamba amajita are off balance, and therefore they couldn't score amagoli lawayana. But overall, you can tell ukuthi amajita understand very well ukuthi yazini besaba inyoka efile, but we can actually press. We can actually go forward and score a goal, which is something esifunayo amajiteni. Ile nto esifuna kumajita singabajabulela abafana masibone second half ukuthi performa njani. So khuluma masiceda sibone in second half ukuthi performa njani.